Hey guys, what's up? What is up, people? Hey, this is Cooking with Mark. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Ninja Foodi, and this can also be done in the air fryer. Actually, I think it would be easier in the air fryer because my air fryer is much bigger. Here, I'll show you something. This is the Ninja Foodi. This is a 6.5 quart. So here's the air fryer basket attachment I have in there. This is the air fryer. You guys are all familiar with this. You see me using it before. This is like the 8 quart, I believe, and it has a pretty big basket. I mean, I can put my hand in there and have plenty of room left over. They do make an 8 quart air fry Ninja Foodi. I'm considering upgrading and getting the bigger one because I need more room. But we're gonna do it in the Ninja, but you could do it in the air fryer. You could do it in this, or you could do it in the oven. Anyway, what we're making today is we're gonna make some Reuben egg rolls. A Reuben egg roll. Or you can make a Rachel egg roll and change the meat. But what we got here is we got 4 ounces of corned beef. That come out of a deli. It's for like sandwiches. We got half a cup of sauerkraut. We patted the juice off of it. We have some whatever favorite Thousand Island dressing. This is 1 cup of coleslaw. I picked most of the carrots out because I don't want carrots in my. And I have 4 slices of Swiss cheese. I put 2 tablespoons of water in this, and we're gonna put this in a microwave for a minute and a half, and we're gonna soften that up, and we'll get the other stuff ready. So we chopped up the, excuse me, we chopped up the Swiss cheese, chopped up the corned beef. We got our sauerkraut, and we're gonna get the coleslaw out of the microwave, and we'll mix. All right, we added the coleslaw, the cabbage, the cheese, the corned beef, and then we added 3 tablespoons of Thousand Island ranch, or I mean, I'm sorry, not ranch dressing, a Thousand Island dressing. I'm like a knucklehead today. So it was a cup of cabbage, half a cup of sauerkraut, and you want to make sure you strain the or take all the excess fluid out of the liquid out of the sauerkraut. The cabbage was cooked in a microwave with 2 tablespoons of water for a minute and a half, and the water was drained off that. 4 ounces of corned beef, 4 slices of Swiss cheese, 3 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing. And you'll see the recipe on my video. We're going to place our egg roll wrap on a plate, cutting board, or whatever surface you're going to use. And we're going to put about 1/6 of this, which I think is about roughly 1/3 of a cup, on this egg roll wrap. Then we're going to take some water. We're going to wet the edges. Wet the edges of the spring roll. Or egg roll wrap, I mean. I don't know why I keep saying spring roll. I think I'm in a Chinese restaurant. Wet all the edges. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom. We're going to fold this up. See that? Fold it up. Press it down. We're going to take this end and we're going to fold it in. I want you to fold it in so you catch that flap right there and get it closed. Watch. I'm going to fold this end in. I'm sorry, I'm trying to destroy or run the camera here. And then we're going to roll it. I'm going to put the camera down to do this, and then I'll show you. So we're taking about 1/3 of the mix, putting in the center, line it up. I got my cameraman now for a second. Okay. Then we're taking some water, wetting the edges. You're putting the triangle part towards you. Take this, fold this up. You're going to fold this over. You want to get that flap folded in there. Like it's an envelope, closed envelope. This side, get this folded up. Get that flap folded in there. And you just want to roll it over. Then you want to take this flap and fold it up. And that's how you do it. That's it. And if you want, you can take a little water and put it on just to make sure it's sealed. But that's what you want to do. We're going to do all these. Then we're going to spray them with some vegetable spray, non-cooking, non-sticking spray, vegetable spray. We're going to put them over here. Okay, we're going to put them on a plate. And after we get these on the plate, we'll do 6 of them. Well, we'll do 4 of them. Then we'll get them in the air fryer. They're going to take 7 minutes. I'll give you the details on that in a little bit. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to go do these. All right, what I did is I made 4 up, and the egg roll wraps are here. I got a pile of egg rolls. I still got a pile of this stuff left. I could probably make, I don't know, 6 more. I think the recipe called for 6, but I followed the instructions. I don't know if I'm not putting enough wrapping or enough filling into my, maybe I'll try to increase that. That's the last one I made. It's much bigger than this one. And maybe that's why I need to put more filling in. But what we're going to do is we're going to put some, spray them with some vegetable oil. Why do you do that? Because you're putting it in the air fryer. And if you want things to taste, first off, fats flavor, you don't want it to stick. And secondly, it gives it the deep fried. Helps it brown, gives it that deep fried texture, taste, and crunch. So we're going to go and put this in the air fryer, or I'm sorry, in the Ninja Foodi, or you can do it in the air fryer either. I'm going to set this up. We're going to set it 392 degrees. 390 degrees. We're going to set it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 3. Now, if I was to use the 8-quart air fryer, I could probably get 8 of them in there. At least 6 of them. Here I'm using the Ninja Foodi. It's a 6.5 quart. I got 4 in the bottom. If I wanted to, I could put my rack in here and put a second 4. There's a metal rack that goes in here. I could put it in here. Here, I'll just show you. Hold on. What I could do is I could set this rack down in here, rearrange them, set this rack down here, and put a couple more on the top. But I'm not going to do that. So we set this Ninja Foodi on 390 for 7 minutes. We're going to close the lid. We're going to take a look at them. These are Reuben egg rolls. Thanks for watching. All right, what I did is I cooked mine for an additional minute. So I cooked them for 8 minutes at 390. They got some brown to them. I'm going to let them cool down a little bit. Then I'm going to tell you how they taste, or try one. Hey, thanks for watching Cooking with Mark. This is Reuben egg rolls. This might be cool enough to actually give one a try. I don't know, still feel kind of hot. But it seems like the longer you do it, the more you learn to wrap them. I'm going to try to take a bite. Here we go. Can you see that? But anyway, I took a bite of these. I think they're delicious. I like them. I'm not just saying that because I made them with love. I made them with love. No, I like them. They're pretty good. They'd be really good if you dipped it in some Thousand Island dressing. They do have meat because I like meat, and that's corned beef. Crispy, pretty delicious. If you can do them in the oven, you can do them in the oven. You can do them in the air fryer. You can do them in a Ninja Foodi. Anyway, thanks for watching. Here's the Reuben egg rolls. They taste exactly like a Reuben, except they taste like an egg roll. And I don't really care for a Reuben on pumpernickel bread. If I have a Reuben, I just like it on regular bread, or whatever bread they put it on. I don't really care for that. But anyway, these are good. They taste like a Reuben, only in a crunchy egg roll. So try them. They're not hard. Pretty simple. I liked them. Thanks for watching.